Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello and good morning, Holly Shields here. Thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV today for the ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Let's take a look at some ASX listed stocks in the news on the back of some key announcements. First up, the Australian producer and seller of dairy products Synlait Milk has today announced its financial results for the 2022 financial year and published its refreshed strategy. The company is focusing on core business opportunities like advanced nutrition, ingredients, consumer and food service. Synlait Milk recorded revenue up by 21% to $1.66 billion. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization increased as well, about $129 million. The company's operating cash flows rose to $232.9 million, and the refreshed strategy process ran from March to June, including a bottom-up review of its 4 business units. And in line with this, an updated executive leadership team structure was announced in July. Today, Synlait shares traded at $3.10, down 2.21%. Next up, Australian gas and petroleum producer and explorer Santos has announced that it's received a binding conditional offer from Kumul Petroleum to acquire a 5% project interest in the PNG LNG project for asset value of $1.4 billion. Kumul Petroleum is the Papua New Guinean national oil and gas company, and it is an existing partner in the project. According to the ASX release, it's paid an amount of $55 million to Santos, which will be held in escrow to be released to Santos as a deposit for part payment of the offer price if it does accept the offer. And following the transaction, Santos will maintain a 37.5% interest in this world-class project. Today, Santos shares traded at $6.97, up 1.3%. Then moving on to the Australian gaming, entertainment and hospitality provider Star Entertainment Group, which has posted a remediation plan as a part of its response to the Bell Report and other regulatory findings against the company. The group and the Star Sydney have accepted the findings of the Bell Report, including the finding of unsuitability, and according to the release, the company has taken significant and urgent remedial steps. It's committed to taking additional necessary and appropriate action in clear timeframes to address the issues raised in the report, so the New South Wales Independent Casino Commission can be satisfied to allow it to hold its licence. Today, shares of the company traded at $2.66, up by 1.14%. Moving on, lithium miner Core Lithium today provided a business update regarding mining operations and resource expansion activities at the Finniss Lithium project near Darwin in the Northern Territory. The company said that the arrangements are underway for Core's first shipment of direct ship ore spodumene from the Finniss project before the year's end. In addition to this, due to the high level of interest in Finniss Core, the shipment will be sold via a tender process using a digital exchange platform. The 12-hole diamond drilling program that commenced in May is now complete. And today, Core Lithium shares traded at $1.26, up by 0.4%. And finally, Australia's largest integrated cattle and beef producer, Australian Agricultural Company, today announced that it has appointed David Harris as the company's Managing Director and CEO with effect from today. Harris has been acting CEO since June of 2022 and was originally appointed as the company's COO in March of 2020. He's been with the company since 2016. And today, Australian Agricultural Company shares traded at $1.74, up by 0.58%. Now that is a wrap on this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day, but do stay tuned for more episodes coming your way. Until then, keep it locked on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields, signing off for now.